up, guys? For context, right now I'm on Soi 5. Right here is the Grand 5 Hotel and Plaza. Between 5 and Soi 3 is kind of considered like Arab town, because the Middle Eastern, hello guys, the Middle Eastern folks usually stay in this area. And I'm craving a shawarma. So what I'm actually going to do is take you on a quick shortcut through the Grand 5 Plaza so you can actually see some of the goods they sell in like Arab town. But there's a section just like a Chinatown, there's an Arab town. So why don't we go in? And the first store is actually this cannabis store. What is this? Is this Agar Wood?
Yeah. It's Agar Wood, yeah.
And what's the other name for it? Oud?
Oud, yeah. They say oud. Other people they say oud.
And people use it for like what? For incense or for fragrance?
Incense in their body, yes.
This
is from India, Cambodia, Thailand.
Wow. So how much does it cost for like a? You sell it by kilogram?
Like we sell it around like tola. Tola is like 12 grams. This one is 1,200. This one is 900. This one is 900. This one is 1,000.
Wow.
Like that. This one is like 60 gram, 1,200.
How do people use?
You just put it on the charcoal. You just have to take a small piece, and then you just have to put it on the charcoal.
Oh, and that creates the incense.
Yep.
But it also makes everything smell.
Smell good in the room.
Yeah, every time I walk in here, it has the very smell of this Agar Wood.
How they burn it. How you get these smell.
Yeah, it's good. Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. What's the name of your shop here? All right, cool. Thanks, man. Yeah, so there's a lot of those fragrance places that sell this wood. So it's a specialty of Southeast Asia. And you can see there's another one here. So yeah, like when you walk in here, it's very strong, but it's a nice smell. And the rest is stuff that you find at the markets, little knickknacks and cheap clothes and jewelry. Well, we'll take a shortcut through here, and I'll take you to my favorite spot. So you can see it's like a whole different world over here. Even the signs are in Arabic. People on the streets are speaking Arabic. They greet you in Arabic. So this is my place that I like to go to. So it's called Al Hussein. Hello. Check it out. They have basically two sizes. The special is the one I get, is like the big one, and there's the beef shawarma. And you'll see that I'll show it to you later, but I'll take one of the big ones, chicken, no ketchup, spicy, okay. Right on, thanks. Actually, why don't we just take a quick look around? Because they offer other... It's okay, just checking it out. Thank you. So maybe another day I will come down here and explore a little bit what they have to offer. But this is what I'm getting. I'm going to sit down and wait for the serving. Alright, and since I'm going to be waiting for a little bit, why don't I just let the camera down, or just leave the camera down here so you can see the happenings. Alright, so it's here. Oh, let's give you a better view. Alright. So, basically set up like a burrito, wrapped in foil paper. And look at this bad boy. So you can see, I have no idea why they like to add ketchup. but that's a no-no for me. Spicy is great. And then you see the special uses the bigger, or I forget what to call this, but it's quite tasty. So anyways, let me enjoy this and I'll get back to you. I'm gonna ask the cook here to prepare some, or let me film him preparing some, so you can actually see how they're made. So you're making a special. What's the name of this bread?
That's pita bread.
This pita bread, okay. Oh wow, this one's very special.
Yeah, chicken tikka sandwich.
How much for something like this?
120.
120. Oh, that looks great. Not bad a price too. And this style chicken is called what?
Chicken tikka.
Chicken tikka, okay.
Yeah, but this stick time.
So it's Indian style.
Yeah, Indian style.
Because normally you use a different, you don't use pita, you use a different one.
No. Yeah, naan bread.
Naan
bread.
Naan bread.
Yeah.
And this one? Yeah, this is the regular. Okay. Yeah, it's very good. Oh, here's the master chef. How are you? Good, good. I'm just sharing with my friends. But thanks so much. It was delicious. I'll see you guys. Thanks. Anyways, that's that. Thank you for watching. And like I said, maybe in another episode I come down here and kind of highlight a few things that are going on. Actually, I'll say one last thing. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'm learning how to do this. It's been forever since I've done any kind of vlog content or recorded video of any sort. So I'm kind of relearning everything, and hopefully I'll get smoother and better at this. So I appreciate any feedback, positive criticism or constructive criticism. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.